What you see here is a GMC K2500, part of GM's heavy-duty pickup line. Being a 1998 model, it rides on the GMT 400 platform, the tough and rugged chassis that GM had been refining since the late 80s. This GMT 400 platform is also commonly known as the old body style, or short OBS, so when you hear someone refer to their new-to-them OBS Chevy, well, this is what they're talking about. Before we get into it more, we want to hear from you. Drop a comment and let us know what you want to see most in this project. Interior, drivetrain, bodywork, suspension, we're listening, and it might just shape where we go next. These trucks are tough, simple, and have a look that aged very well. Sure, that's subjective, but I think that's a general consensus. The K in the K2500 means four-wheel drive, as the C is just rear-wheel drive, and the 2500 makes this a 3/4 ton truck, meaning this thing was built to tow, haul, and take a beating without complaining. Nothing fancy, just a basic suspension setup with a solid rear axle, a stout frame, and a whole lot of torque. Well, I mean, at least for the time. This isn't about finesse, it's about capability. The K2500 we have here is the 5.7 liter V8 paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive with an electronically controlled transfer case, and an extended cab long bed setup. All this together makes for a great truck that just doesn't quit. The kind of rig that's still plowing driveways and pulling trailers decades after it rolled off the lot. And I mean, look at this one. A trailer hitch that doesn't even have a pin in it, and a plow frame that may look rough around the edges, but it sure did put in the work over the years. As expected, this one has some issues, and that's when we step in. But as we started digging into this truck, we found something that we definitely did not expect. We're not going to spoil it here, but let's just say this restoration is going to take a turn that nobody saw coming. So stick around because it's going to change how this whole series plays out. This truck didn't even run when it came to us. So follow us along as we give this old plow truck a second chance.